big stone.
Use your other hands to support it. Puts the soil. Good job. More soil. Please go ahead. You can wash later. You should. See what you did? More soil. Good job. Next hole, Kai.
Hit it. Sorry.
Go ahead. Support with the other hand. Use the other hand to put the soil. Okay? Good. There's one more hole for you. Okay? Use one hand to support.
There's 2 more.
Good job, Kai. That's it. Support it. Yeah,
It was almost gonna fall.
that's fine. Use the soil to make it straight.
Did it.
And this will survive only if you take care of them. Water them every day. Check on them.
But don't water them too much because they will die if you put too much water.
Yeah, not too much. But should be fine.
Just one last
Alright.
one.
Okay.
One last
You have to
one,
make a
Mama.
hole for that.
One last one.
Make a hole here.
I'm gonna make it. Can I
Okay.
make one?
You don't have a gloves. Use the
I
shovel.
have gloves.